This is the record of an administration with no vision for building people up, only a vision for keeping them dependent, the handout mentality. Now, let me be very clear. This is the fundamental difference between the philosophy of the Saint Lucia Labour Party and that of the United Workers' Party. In the current SLP model, they tax workers heavily. Services collapse around them. And then they redistribute handouts when it is politically convenient to do so. This is what creates an environment of dependency. This keeps people waiting and wanting. This keeps people controlled. The SLB believes in taking more money through higher taxes and then redistributing later in the form of handouts. They believe government knows better than citizens how to spend their money. This model, I will say again, creates dependency. The United Workers' Party, our model, it lets people keep their money in their pockets. We remove barriers to wealth building.